Hi folks, this is Dante with VAFELTRE Tours. This video you're about to see is what we believe group travel will look after the pandemic. Please wait until the end of the video where we're going to show you this amazing tour we have set up. 15-day tour, Northern Italy, Austria, Slovenia, and we end up in Croatia. Check out at the end of this video.
With COVID-19 vaccines rolling out, people are starting to feel more confident about being able to travel this year. Many people are probably going to remain cautious for the next year or so, but in general, people are excited to get out and start traveling again. So what does travel look like in 2021 for you?
Face masks will play an important role. Many people think that wearing a face mask is the most important personal safety protocol in 2021. From airlines, hotels, and tour operators, blocking the middle seats and sanitizing between flights and guests are on the top of new expected procedures.
A majority of travelers will avoid crowds in an effort to keep themselves and their fellow travelers safe. At VAFELTRE Tours, our specialty has always been small group private tours. We can easily customize and plan a trip for you and your travel pod that allows you to experience open spaces and stay away from the large crowds.
Europe continues to be the most sought after international region, even though most of the continent is still closed to international travel. 2020 was expected to be a record year for tourism, and industry experts are projecting that for the first 6 to 15 months after the borders reopen, there will be a travel boom as people are anxious to go from being trapped at home to getting back out and exploring new destinations.
2020 left a lot of workers with a store of unused vacation time and sick days, more than they ever had before. After more than a year of limiting travel and contact with other people, and even changing the way that we shop, many people are ready to get away from it all. Travel will offer a welcome respite, and for many people will be their step into our post-COVID future. Many people feel after the pandemic that they deserve some time to get away from it all, and booking a guided vacation allows you to maximize your experience while we do the thinking for you. If COVID-19 taught us anything, it's to slow down and appreciate what we have. Global travel associations are seeing an increase in the number of days on future bookings. Many people have become armchair voyagers, completely revolutionizing virtual tours, tastings, and classes. After more than a year of learning, research, and dreaming about a location, we expect that people will want to take their time to actually experience a museum or a site or a location instead of the old snap a picture just to say you were there. And also stacking up the most cities they can in one trip. Many travelers are asking for only 1 to 2 hotels on a guided vacation, allowing them to immerse themselves in the experience instead of constantly packing and unpacking their luggage during long-distance vacations. With that grim knowledge, where does it leave you in terms of planning your next vacation? Here at VAFELTRE Tours, we are ready to plan your vacation the moment the borders open for your destination. We can go ahead and work with you now to create your dream itinerary and price the entire trip minus the airfare. As soon as we know the date the trips can run, we will quote you the entire package, including airfare. You can go onto our website and make your secure registration at that point and set up your payment plan, and we will take care of the bookings and putting all of the plans in place. While many airlines and booking sites are offering all sorts of deals and savings right now, our opinion is that it's better to wait until the borders open up instead of facing disappointment later.
At the beginning of this video, Dante mentioned one of our new tours that we're introducing. It's a 15-day tour starting in Milan and ending in Venice. Along the way, we will visit Trentino, where we live in Italy, and spend some time here in the Dolomites. When we're in Austria, we're going to visit Salzburg and Vienna to see the hills come alive. Then we will head south through Slovenia, stopping to enjoy the beautiful countryside. When we get to Croatia, we'll enjoy the beach and the beauty of the Istrian Peninsula. After relaxing for a few days, we will finish our tour in Venice. This tour is an amazing adventure through 4 countries. You will have the chance to compare and contrast wines and olive oils from various countries and regions, giving you a fuller understanding how climate and soil can influence the flavors. We will visit Austrian palaces, a Roman theater, see medieval castles, Venetian canals, Dolomite mountain huts, all while making friends with the locals along the way. Food is an important part of our lives, So in addition to wine and olive oil, we will visit factories and farms to learn about food production and its contribution to the local economies. Log on to VAFELTRE.com to see all of the tours we offer and to enter the secure registration system. We're working on videos for all of our new tour products, so be sure to click the subscribe button so that you get all of our updates. If you think of something that you would like us to include on your tour, please type it in the comments below. I love to create new customized tours, so I'm looking forward to your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!